In this video, you'll learn how to set email reminders in Gmail so you can come back to important messages at exactly the right time. If you ever find yourself opening an email, realizing you can't deal with it right away, and then forgetting about it later, this is going to help a lot. We'll use Gmail's built-in snooze feature, which is essentially a simple reminder system for your inbox. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing in to your account, or by opening Gmail from your browser bookmarks or app launcher if you have it saved there. Make sure you're on the main inbox view where you see your list of emails rather than inside a specific message. Once your inbox is open, look through your emails and find one that you want to be reminded about later. This might be a bill, an event confirmation, a follow-up you need to send, or any message you're not ready to handle right now but don't want to lose track of. Now move your mouse and hover over that email in the list. Don't click it yet. Just place your cursor over the row where the email subject and sender are shown. As you hover over it, you'll see some icons appear on the right side of that email row. These usually include options like archive or delete, and among them is the snooze icon. Next, click the snooze icon. The snooze icon looks like a small clock, and it will only appear when your mouse is hovering over that email. When you click it, Gmail will open a small window or menu with some suggested times like later today, tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. Here's where you choose the date and time when you want Gmail to remind you about this email. If one of the suggested options works for you, you can simply click it. For example, if you know you want to deal with the email tomorrow morning, choose the option that best matches that. If you need a more specific reminder time, look for the option that lets you pick a custom date and time. Click that, and a calendar and time selector will appear. Select the exact day you want and then set the time that fits your schedule. Take a moment to think realistically about when you'll truly be able to handle the email. That way, your reminder actually works for you instead of becoming just another notification. Once you've picked the date and time, confirm your choice. The email will disappear from your inbox for now, which can feel a bit strange at first, but don't worry, it isn't deleted. Gmail has simply moved it into a special snoozed section and will bring it back to the top of your inbox at the exact time you chose, as if it were a brand new message. That's all you need to do to set an email reminder in Gmail using snooze. Open Gmail, hover over the email, click the snooze icon, and choose the date and time. Use this whenever you want your email to function like a to-do list with built-in reminders, helping you stay organized and on top of your inbox without trying to remember everything yourself.